Hello friends, today in this video I am going to cover how you can make a transition animation with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let me remind you one thing that in this video tutorial I am going to cover the simple transition animation. Here you can see the example. When I click to the loading part, then there has been a transition animation from the left side. It's look to pretty well animation created in this web page. So let's code it. For this friend, you have to come to your desktop and create a folder of name transition. Here I click on it, then you can see the 5 GIF which are required to create a loading animation. And here I have index.html, then style.html. Then open this folder with the code editor. I have VS Code. So in this you can see the basic syntax of HTML I have written. Here I have used this HTML tag, head tag, body tag to create my markup. Here I have linked my CSS file, and here in this CSS file I have imported the Google fonts to create more dynamic my web page. Here in the body section I have created the margin 0, padding 0 and font family will be Poppins. I have imported this and this is optional. If you want to put it, then you can put it. Here you can see all the GIF shown in my folder. Here I have index.html, then index.html, then style.html. Let's code it in the index.html. Here in the body part, let's create a div of id loader. Here we will create a loading section of our web page. Here then create a div of id page1. Then in this heading of home page, then break line and anchor tag is used. Here just remove the href. On click appear, we will create a appear function in the JavaScript, appear page 1 function. Here in this part write the loading ... and copy this section to the page 2 animation. Here we can see with the live server that there have been a home page loading and home page loading 2 times, as it shows that it is a 2 page. Let's style the page 1. Here in the page 1 hash id page 1, the width will be 100%, height will be 100 vh, and then the background will be according to the light green, as you can choose according to you, and the position will be absolute. As you can see the preview here in the page 1, all the headings S2. Here the position will be absolute, top will be 50% sorry, and left will be 50%, so that it will come to the center. Here we translate so that it will come to the center at the exact position with -50 and -50 translation. As you can see this effect. Now I want this font size to be more, so the font size will be 45 pixel, and then the color will be white, so that it look more attractive to our web page. As you can see here, the text transformation or font weight bold, so that our font weight will, let's create this 60 pixel so that it is more visible. Then the text transformation is uppercase. In this page 1 id, here heading, then anchor tag, all the anchor tag are selected. Here the text decoration will be none if there have been created in the second page. Then the font size will be 25 pixel too small, so that it will look nice to the web page. Here the border radius here I am giving the border 2 pixel. Here I am giving the border of 2 pixel black. Here the text align is center, so that the position of the loading part will be at the center. Here you can see that the padding, after giving the padding, the text have been at the center and it's look good, and the font will become bolder so that it is visible to see, and then I am giving the border radius so that the sharp corner will be rounded. Here the value is 10 pixel. Then as you can see our page 1 is created. Now create the page 2 of this. Now copy the page 1 CSS, and then just after the page 1 display is none, because we are creating now the second page. Here as you can see the none is thing is appear on the web browser. Here change the id page to headings and page to heading anchors, and save it. After saving it, then you can change also the color according to your choice. And here I have selected blue and then dark blue combination, so that it will look somewhere pretty nice to the web design. But here I have not result, I have mistaken something, have gone wrong. Here in the index.html I have id, I have not forgotten. So as you can see this example, I have created this login page. First was for home page and second was for login page. Here the basic syntax is clear. Now we are creating the loader section. Width will be 100% and height will be 100 VH. Viewport height, and then the position will be absolute, so that it will be at the right position, and left will be minus 100%, so that the transition will come from the 100%. Here the Z index is important, because if you don't mention the Z index, then the animation will not work. After this have the display none, so that the page 1 will appear to the page second. Then creating a simple changing the color of the web page, and then create a script. Here in this script I am creating the first function, that on the click appear one function, appear one, that I have created in the home page. So the variable loader equal to document.getElement by id. Select the id, we have to select the loader section. So here loader, and then copy this thing, page 1 is equal to document.getElement by id, doubling it. Here page 1, and then in this page 1, after doubling it page 2, and then page 2. After that here we are styling the loader section. Loader dot style dot left is equal to 0. Initially it start from 0, and here we create a function of set timeout after the definite timeout. Here in this timeout you the functioning value will put it. Here the timeout 2000 means 2 seconds. As you can see, I will have written it out so that you will notice when you are creating this thing. Mean the duration of the transition. Here in this timeout I am creating 2000, that actually mean the 2 seconds of the real life. Here I have created minus 100%, and after saving it, let's check. I have not put it the background of the loader section, so it will not work. Then going to checking what is going wrong, then clicking, it is not working. But in the style.css actually not working. In the style.css the loader section, here I have not mentioned the background, so initially the background will be transparent. If you don't put, then you can see this a blink, a normal blink. So it means that our JavaScript code is running properly. Here we will put the style on the page 1. Here the display will become none when we click on the page 1. So, and then same to the page 2, display will become block, so that the second page will be visible. And after saving it, I am checking to the web browser. As you can see this code, when I clicked on this, then the login page appear. Now copy this code and to the from the function, then appear to, then this will become block and this will become none. page to become. So here you can see there have been a blink of white page. Here you can put your GIF or any animation or loading animation that you want to put on your web page. Here in this folder I have 5 GIFs, so I have selected a one that I really like. Here it is GIF dot. Here you can see, after saving it, let's style it in the style.css. Getting back to it, hash loader image, we will put the position will be absolute, top will be 50% and left will be 50%, and this will not become at the center, so we will put the transform and translate is equal to -50% and -50%. After this we can see that after clicking on the loading section, then there have been a smooth transition. So code in the description of my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. If you are not like and comment, please like and comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel.